U-Otukile Motsoaledi uthi wafika kule ndawo ngo-2013 eqeda ukuthenga umuzi. Ngenxa yokubona ukuthi umuzi wakhe usendaweni engahlanzekile esehlathini, uthi wabe esethatha isinqumo sokukhuculula leli hlathi ukuze umuzi wakhe ube nesithunzi.
When I started settling, I realized that the locality where I bought the house is not actually going to project a good image and add value to my house.
Usechithe izindodla zemali ehlanza le ndawo ukusuka ngonyaka u-2013.
It's far beyond 200,000. I started hiring, there were about 4 people per day, and people lately, you cannot get any person from the street and work here or do anything for you less than 200 rand.
Uthi inhloso yakhe kwakuwukugwema ukulahlwa kwemfucuza ngokungemthetho kanye nokwakha amathuba omsebenzi ukuze le ndawo ingaphelelwa isithunzi.
There is an opportunity for job creation. There is also the potential to alleviate poverty, because as you can see, people are over the street. People are sitting there under the trees.
Nakuba bebaningi abamshayele ihlombe ngesenzo sakhe, kodwa ke kukhona ukugxekwa akutholayo ngokuthi wephule imithetho yomasipala, akanayo imvume yokuguqula le ndawo ayenze ipaki.
The issue of violating the bylaws, I don't 100% concur with that. Reason being, at the initial stage, when I started here, was a prompt action to prevent illegal dumping. So I wouldn't go to the municipal and ask permission to do an action to prevent illegal dumping.
Umasipala wase Rustenburg ubungakaphawuli ngalolu daba.